Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. We're hitting episode 35 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. So as I head back home, because I just got done recording episode 34, these are day apart for now until I am able to gather up enough. But every time I have time to gather them up, I have to go on vacation. So I'm forced to gather them up and then I spin them all while I'm on vacation. Anyway, so as we are recording here, this is episode 35. Sorry, I blanked. I am recording this almost at midnight, and it's been a long day. So, racing every single track and every single car, episode 35. Let's go ahead. Let's dive right in. So, as I mentioned, of course, episode 35, racing every single track and every single car, and with using my phone as a recording device. For these things, I am killing the device. The battery, anyway. So hopping into episode 35. But as I said, I'm recording this late at night. I mean, it is currently 11:50, or because I put it on universal time, like the 24-hour clock, 23:50. We're gonna be heading over to Daytona International Speedway. As I mentioned, we're gonna be getting it up very soon. So we're gonna be doing the tri-oval, and then we'll hit the road course on the next episode. So. Oh, night looks so good. I'm going to do the road course at night, and I think we'll do sunrise here. But I'm pushing myself, doing this at night, recording late at night, doing a lot of practice during the day as much as I can in order to build up some of that fatigue so I can, push myself to the next limit. Of course, getting proper rest is very important, but I know that these are real feelings I'm going to have when being on the track. There's a lot of fatigue, a lot of being tired, a lot of being exhausted. Now, I also have no fans on. I've gotten kind of acclimated with the humidity, more just the uncomfortable sensation, uncomfortable feeling of the heat. Yeah, I just kind of zoom bypassed them. Now I can't wait to drive the Type R on the road course. Oh, I'm so excited. But I know I can hit pretty high speeds on the International Super Speedway for Daytona International Super Speedway. But yeah, I mean it is all a practice and experience kind of thing. Get all the way F40. I love you. You look great. But you gotta get off the road. You were in the way. Once again, you look gorgeous. I was about to ready head dart that way. I don't really do this one much. And this is probably gonna be one of the shorter videos, I think. It doesn't take awful long to get around this track. Anyway. Daytona looks gorgeous. I did have an experience a few years ago to be on the track, not race any cars or anything, but I took a tour around the track. They told us about it. I got to be up in near the podium. That was quite an experience. It was awesome. And that's just these little micro things that I've done have gotten me, that little bit closer to wanting to race, wanting to be on the track. And eventually I just finally snapped and said, let's do it. But that ends episode 35 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. So there we go. That is it for that one. Other than that, we'll end this episode so we can start episode 36. I'm going to record that, and yeah, because it'll be midnight by the time I get all this set away and downloaded. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one.